kids, we've still got Christmas mincemeat left over.
We're gonna make mincemeat bars.
Okay, let's go over the ingredients quickly. We've got half a cup of wholemeal flour, a cup of flour. We've got 1 1/4 cups of oatmeal, porridge oats. We've got 1/4 cup of finely chopped nuts. We've got some baking margarine because butter's really a bit expensive in Japan. We've got some of this fantastic.
It tastes different to margarine.
Yes, it does. And it's got this. We've got this very good Japanese black sugar, and we've got cooking paper. We've already got that in our little baking dish that has to fit, and we've got the leftover mincemeat. That's right. Okay, let's get cracking.
That's a lot.
And let's not forget a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda. First, we're going to add the sugar to the margarine, and then we're going to cream it.
Mix.
Yeah, mix first and then cream it.
How do you cream it?
Basically, it's like whisking but with a spoon. It would be with a wooden spoon, but we don't have one. The great thing is that when one cook's arm starts hurting, the other one can take over. Okay, now in a separate bowl, we've got the whole wheat flour, half a cup, and the salt and baking soda. And then we've got just some plain flour, which is 1 cup. And then we're going to whisk that just to mix it up and get the lumps out. So now we're going to tip that flour mix into...
And then just mix it normally.
And then just mix it in till it's all incorporated. Now we're adding in the 1/4 cup of nuts and the oatmeal.
To make your oat bars.
Yeah, well, they're going to be oaty bars then, aren't they? And then we're going to mix that in as well as we can. Forgot 1 tablespoon of water goes in as well. There you go. And mix it up. We're thinking it's probably better you go in here with your hands and squish this up, and that's probably quite a nice activity anyway, isn't it? Go for it. Scrunch it all up. There you go.
It feels good.
Oh, good.
Feels like slime.
Good stuff. How's it going, guys?
Nearly done.
Okay.
It should be like this.
How was it?
It felt good. Like Play-Doh.
Oh, okay.
But with bits in.
But don't eat Play-Doh, no?
Yeah.
Not good for you. So I've squished up the dough, made it into a ball, and then cut it into quarters.
And we'll have to squash this into here.
Yeah, that's right. You're going to squash that into there, mate.
Come on.
Go for it.
What are you supposed to do? Squash it all in.
Squash it all in, all the way to the corners, no?
That might be
Yeah, you can break it up, it's fine. Break it up, it's fine.
Maybe start at the corner would be easier.
Okay, so we've got a cup of mincemeat there, and we squished it all down. Not perfect, but then it doesn't have to be perfect.
A little more. Like this? Yeah, just tip it all in. There we go. Yeah. It's gonna be more mincemeat than... Yeah.
Well, I think if it's like the mince pies, the mincemeat juice is all going to soak into it and make this nice big chewy mess of a thing. That'll be very
looks
delicious.
Like maybe blueberry crumble right now. Really?
Now we're going to take another 1/4 to put on top.
And break it up.
But I think if you break it into little bits and scatter it around, it's going to be even and easier to spread, I think.
Like this? Like this?
Yeah, that's right. Go for it. So we're doing a bit like a crumble, which it does resemble a crumble actually quite a lot. And then we're probably going to have it a bit more even on the top surface. I'm going to preheat our toaster oven to 180 centigrade, which is about 350 Fahrenheit. Okay, now you need to kind of squash it all together to make it into a coherent...
Let's go here, man.
All kind of holding together in a understandable way.
Don't squash it too much.
Oh, I can feel the juice.
cool. Is it getting nice and messy and sticky?
Not for me. Yes, for me.
It's going to be fun if it is. Okay, good job squashing down. Now that goes into the oven, 180 degrees, 350 Fahrenheit, for about 35 minutes.
Then
And into the oven. Let's just come out of the oven. That's looking rather yummy. The squares, and we're going to let it cool down so it all sticks together. Kids, all your hard work is ready. Tuck in.
looks good and smells good. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna
I'll have
have
one
this.
too, shall I?
Some of them are a bit falling
Yeah.
apart. The bottom's like this. The top's like this.
Oh, I say, that's rather good.
Honestly,
It
it's like a
doesn't-
mince pie.
It doesn't, it doesn't taste that Christmassy though, does
Yes,
it?
it does.
Is it? Right. You got the nuts and the oats and the. It's rather good, isn't it? Okay, make that
Christmas
again.
Mincemeat Bar.
Yeah.
You can have it
Well,
the other times of the year.
I have no
instead.
idea what you said. Your mouth's full of cake. Okay. Ta-ta for now, everybody.